Alright, Brother Robert and I are picking up two JVC SC1224s that say they don't work. And what I'm really here for is the Atari PS3000. That's right, only 1,000 made on the planet. And it's mine. So we're gonna get this puppy home. I already did the research on it yesterday. Gonna have a video cable made. Hopefully the floppy cable is standard. And yeah, so I traded a Happy 1050 disk drive for that. Brand new copy of Mean 18 for the ST. Little bling. That monitor. And the two other ones we're locking down. Let's get her home and see what we can do with her. Still has a floppy in it. Hopefully that still works. All right, let's rock, Brother Rob.
Let's go.